Hey guys, if you don't know, we have new agent training happening next week on February 7th through the 9th, 3 full days. I just wanted to highlight a couple of my favorite sessions in case you guys can make it. Remember, this is a come and go event, so feel free to just come to what you can. It feels a little selfish to start off with the session that I lead, but I'm going to. We have Culture and Values starting at 9:30 on the 7th. We're going to have Mark, Rex, Johanna, and Andy join us to speak on the values that mean something to them. It's going to be an amazing session, and it always reminds me why I do my job and why I love this place. So I hope you can make it to that. Especially great if you are a newer agent, whether you're experienced or brand new and just trying to get to know us and our culture. Okay, then at 11:30 we have our lead generation panel with Drew, Michelle, and Chris. Ooh, I can't wait to be there for that one. Generating leads is one of the hardest parts of the business, and having Drew, Michelle, and Chris teach us how to do it is going to be great. You have the queen of open houses herself, Natanya Tab Peterson, teaching us on open houses. Can't miss that. And then a social media panel from 3 to 4 with Tyler Lingle and Ashley Smith. So good. On the 8th, we've got a buyer consultation with Emily Burford, so talking about how to have that first meeting with your buyers. Then you have Megan Sullivan doing writing a purchase agreement and inspections. I mean, whew! Especially if you haven't been to her inspection training before, it is delightful and super helpful. Make sure you make it to that. And then hold the phone. Jenny Bliss McMillian is teaching us on how to price a house, drop everything, and be there. It's going to be amazing. And then a listing presentation with Scott White. Can you ever get enough time with Scott White? I don't think so. So, hope you guys can make it. We will also be concluding new agent training with a happy hour that's happening at Half Liter at 4 p.m. on the 9th. We really hope you guys can all come to that as well. Wishing you well.